Apocalypse.
Hello guys, this is Steam Addicted and today I will show you how to change your Steam skin. First of all, you need to go to a site named steamskins.org. Here you can see a lot of different skins, so just pick the one you like and press on it. For me it's gonna be Pressure Skin. When you open your picked skin at the top of the page you can see a preview of that skin. Going lower there's some more screenshots. And on the middle of the page you can see an instructions on how to install it. And a download button. So now go and press a download button. When skin finishes downloading just go and extract it like this. And copy extracted folder. Now open your Steam directory. Find a folder named Skins and paste that extracted skin files right here. When you finish transfer files to Steam Skins directory you can close those folders and open your Steam client. At the top left corner press Steam, go to Settings, click Interface. Now click on the box Default Skin. Pick your skin. Press OK and restart Steam. And voila, now you have a new looking Steam client, enjoy it. Also if you liked this video press like and if you're new here don't forget to subscribe for more cool Steam related content. Thanks for watching and see you next time.